What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. And you can see I got my tires on, my wheels, super excited. The shop that I went to, they did a great job, and their shop is called All Star Repair, and they're actually JDM car enthusiasts. They actually do like repairs and stuff, but they did a great job on this, and they're local in the area. I'll probably be going back to them for all of my tire jobs until I get my own machine. I still want to get my own machine because I think that's gonna save me so much money in the long end. But until then, they're the guys that I'm gonna be going to, so pretty cool. They're really cool guys and they're super chill. So yep, I'm just gonna take them out, and then I'll go ahead and get back to you guys. I might not put them on yet because I can't drop the car. I haven't put on the exhaust yet, and I really don't want to lift it up again. So I'm gonna put them on though, and then we're gonna see how they look like. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, it's actually a new day. I put the wheels on last night, but it got kind of dark already, so I just waited till today, and you can check out the wheels now. Here they are. They look the same, but they got the better tires on now, and they look really good. I like the way it looks. Like I said, these aren't like the best looking wheels, but they're pretty good for OEM style wheels, and it looks really good in my opinion. Got the staggered setup, so these are actually 245s, and then these are 255s, and they are both 50 series or 40 series tires, so they're pretty low pro, but I think it looks good. It looks about the same, even though this side's a little wider. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the exhaust, and then lower the car, bring it out to the front, and then give it a good nice wash, because I think it needs a wash now. It's been so long, and maybe I'll go drive it for a little bit too. But what I also want to do is move this tent forward to this spot over here, so it could be more pushed back, so it could be pushed back more, and then I could put my 240 on this side and where the tent is. And then yeah, we could probably check out the Corolla in the sunlight too, kind of see how the paint looks there. It's still not too dry yet, which is kind of weird because I actually put more hardener than I needed to, but we could check it out. And it still feels a little tacky, and that might just be regular paint drying. I know usually people wait like 6 months before they actually like fully commit to sanding it down. We might actually sand it down before that, but I'm just gonna wait till it doesn't feel tacky anymore, then we'll go ahead and finally sand it. I wanted to leave it out in the sun, but it's getting to like 104, 108, and I don't really want the paint to get like cracked up and super dried up, so I'm gonna leave it in the carport to dry like that, because I think it's gonna dry better. I've left paint out in the sun before to dry, and it cracked up because it was like way too hot. But yeah, it's looking all right. It's starting to dry up a little better. It looks a little more decent on camera, but yeah, hopefully once we sand it down and buff it, then it'll be a lot cleaner, a little more mirror finish hopefully. But you can see here, you can still kind of see my reflection, and yeah, it looks all right. Just got to get that hood done, and then I think the rest of the car will look a little better once we sand it. But yeah, enough talking. Let me go ahead and put on that exhaust real quick, because that's all I have to do, and then drop the car and bring it to the front and give it a nice wash. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, got the exhaust on, and I've moved the 240 to the front of the house, and here it is. There's the new exhaust. I'll turn it on in a bit for you guys to hear, but it's just a MagnaFlow, and then the piping is just like some ghetto piping that was already on here, but it sounds pretty good. It's really quiet, but I just took it off before because I just wanted to run a stock one, but now that I'm not dailying it no more, I decided to put it back on so I could be a little louder. And yeah, it looks good though. And here are the wheels. You can see it's kind of low, and I don't even have a finger in, so I'm gonna have to raise the car up a little. My fenders aren't rolled yet, and so I'm gonna have to do that later, and I'll probably do that next time though. Maybe not today, but I'm gonna raise it up a little bit because that's kind of too low for me. And the front actually looks perfect. You can see there. looks really good. So here's the front, and it's actually perfect. That's like right where I want it, right where the tire hits the fender, and it looks so good like that. The back actually looks good from far away. So yep, this is the car with the new wheels. Man, the longer I look at these wheels, the better they actually look, and they look pretty good from this angle. But yeah, so yeah, let me go ahead and give it a wash, and then I'm gonna go ahead and raise the back, tighten up the lug nuts. We'll go ahead and take it for a drive. But this car is super dirty. I don't think I've cleaned it. I don't think I've cleaned it within like a year now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean everything, vacuum up the interior, and just see if I could get it all clean. And then we're gonna move it back over here. And the Corolla is out right now, so we can actually check that out because we moved the tent back already. So you can see there. But here's the paint outside in the sun in all its glory. But here it is from far away. And it looks good from far away, of course, but hopefully we can make it look better. The paint's starting to feel a little drier now. It's not so tacky like it used to be. But I don't want to leave it out in the sun, and it's gonna hit soon. And today's gonna be super hot, so I'm gonna try to move this car back into this tent. It's not really secured yet, so I'm kind of scared to leave it like this. But hopefully it's not windy at the same time, then we won't have any issues. But alright guys, I just raised up the rear a little bit, and you can see it's a little higher now, and I think it looks good like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn on the car so you guys can listen to it. So you can see it's just like a little rumble. It's not like too loud or anything, and when you step on it, it actually sounds pretty good, nice and deep. But yep, I actually like this exhaust. The real exhaust I want to get is the Apex Noir or Nior. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's the one that I really want, and I'm gonna probably get that one for this car. I don't know, for the 240 I really like the sports style look. I'm not really into like the N1 style like exhaust. But yep, this is the exhaust, and I just wiped down the windows so it could be a little bit cleaner. But yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a test drive and kind of see how she does. It's been a while since I've driven this car, so yeah, this 240 has always been pretty reliable since I got it running. And the engine is actually a pretty high mileage KA that I got from my friend Jeremy, and it was in his S14. I don't know if I explained that before, but yeah, that's where I got this KA from, because I bought this car as a shell. But yeah, it's been pretty healthy so far, and I don't know, it's never really died on me. But it does have some idle issues. I think I need to get a new IAC valve, because it kind of bogs when it gets really hot, and that's why I didn't really want to daily it no more. But so far so good. Oh my gosh, this car is going quick. That car is driving crazy. kind of clicking. I think it might be my coilovers. I'm gonna have to check it because I adjusted it, but it seems fine. Nothing wrong. So, this guy's driving weird. Oh, maybe I should turn around because it's feeling weird. Alright guys, it's actually been like a couple of days since I last drove the car, but had some bad news. My grandpa just passed away, so I spent this whole weekend with just family and stuff like that, just to mourn. But so yeah, sorry, it's been a few days since I uploaded, but yep, just gonna go ahead and update you guys a little bit more. And that noise that I was hearing from my car, I think was my exhaust, and I think it was just doing that. So I think I have to just mount it better, because I know when I drive it kind of makes this noise right here. And it's because I only have one hanger. This side is kind of ruined. This side is kind of broken, as you can see there. So I think I have to weld something, and then I can have it mounted there, and it'll actually stabilize, because it's making like a knocking noise. But yeah, so I didn't get to clean it yet, and I have to go do something right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car maybe tomorrow, get that done. Still waiting on parts. I contacted my guy. He said it might be another like 2 or 3 weeks, so hopefully I could get them in soon. And I'm gonna have to go back down to SoCal to pick it up again too, so gonna do another video of me going back down to SoCal, maybe update you guys on my sister's GC8 since I'm down there. But yeah, super excited. It's coming along really nicely. I really love these rear valents. They're actually like really good copies. Very happy with those. And this exhaust actually looks really good. Like I said, I like it because it's quiet. And I do want to get the Apex Noir. I don't know if I already said that, but yep, this is it. So I'll probably actually end the vlog here so I could put up a video, and the next one's gonna be a lot better. You guys actually see me clean the car, go for a test drive, and we could go somewhere, maybe go downtown or head up into the mountains and just do a cool shoot for you guys. But yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I really appreciate all you guys viewing my videos. Like I said, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, and thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace.